Well, time got away from me again. I planned to finish my strawberry sweater dress for Valentine's Day, but that didn't happen. So let's focus on our big project of 2026. Well, Wicked for Good might have been snubbed by the Oscars, but the costumes by Paul Tazwell are still iconic. So my big project of 2026 is recreating the pink Glinda bubble dress by New Year's Eve. I'm going to start with a pattern by Mood Fabrics. If you didn't know, Mood Fabrics offers free patterns on their blog website that are size inclusive. Now, I have heard that some people find their patterns hard to follow, but we'll see for ourselves. I already know looking at the instructions that I'll have to alter the pattern anyway because Paul Tazwell designed his gown using the Fibonacci spiral on both the bodice and the skirt. The team at Mood simplified their design and included less panels for the skirt. I want to get closer to the original design, and I'm just using the Mood pattern as a reference point. Altering the over bodice as a spiral to overlap and having 15 panels for the skirt instead of the 10 as shown on the Mood sample. I already have all the materials to create my Glinda gown, so here's footage of everything I'm going to use.
Okay, so in this bag is about 20 yards of this pink satin. It looks very much like this. I found it at Goodwill. I think somebody used it for tablecloths for their wedding. I'm not going to undo it now, but eventually I will try to make this a lighter color by removing some of the color. So it's more of this kind of pink. And there's also some pink organza in here and tulle and this kind of fabric. I thought I could cut this up and make the swirl that goes around, the sequin swirl that goes around the skirts. And I thought I could use this for the for the lining. And then I have this. Here's some of, like, using this pink trim and these pink beads I found at Dollar Tree. I have some of this, which I might make into a bubble crown. That's a related project, but it's similar idea. And then we have these beads I found at Dollar Tree. And a little bit, found some glitter. Found some more peachy beads. And I have more beads, I just gotta find them.
So I didn't have time to find the beads I bought from Michael's, but I'm saving the beadwork for last anyway. I also bought materials to make my own version of the bubble wand. I bought the child-sized one from Walmart, but it's obviously too small. And I'm making my own bubble crown, because the only adult-sized ones that are proportional to the movie are over $100. I might learn how to use my local library's 3D printer. We will see. Sorry for the AI voiceover, but I didn't have time to film this video otherwise. But please stay tuned for the actual start of the Glinda dress next month. And stay tuned for my next video in 2 weeks where I'll get an early start on celebrating my birthday. And don't forget to follow me on Patreon for Met Gala Mondays where I'm making a dress for this year's Met Gala. Thanks so much for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe.